How to let anyone join your private story on Snapchat. So if you want to let anyone join your private story on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, you need to go with the upper left to add a private story, or you can just simply take a snap right now. Once you've taken, you need to go with the stickers, which is on the right side. And under stickers, you need to swipe right and you will have the story option on the last. Tap on story and then go with the private story and then add your new private story, a caption, and after that go with send it to, or just go with story, which is here on the left side. Or what you can do is just go with the custom option. Once you go with the custom option, go ahead and enter your new custom story name. If you select the custom story, anyone who joined can contribute to your story, and in your story preview you will see this sticker and you can place anywhere. Once you upload your story, the viewers who viewed your story will be able to tap on your sticker and join in your private story. That's how you link your private story on your Snapchat and let other people join you. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.